Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is Eufy. I'm not even sure how you say that. Eufy, I guess. Anyway, it is not emitting any beeps, so I can't follow any of these troubleshooting directions. So I went to the owner's manual, and the thing that comes closest to describing it, the movements or travel path are abnormal. It says clean the sensors with a dry cloth, restart by turning the power switch on and off. That's the power switch right there. It's covered up by a little piece of plastic. So what I am going to do, besides cleaning the sensors, is I'm going to empty it. Obviously, you're supposed to empty it. Clean the brush, which looks like it's got some buildup, and then try it again and see what happens, okay? So before I start, I am going to show you this window or shield or whatever you want to call it. It is pretty messed up. This is the front end of the Eufy, and not only does it look a little dirty, but it looks maybe scratched too. I'm going to try to get those scratches out without scratching it further. I suppose if this thing gets really bad, you have to buy a replacement. I'm not sure. So these tabs are, you need to remove the blue thing or this guard, and then you just lift this brush out and then get a scissors or a razor blade or something and cut off all the hair and get rid of the dust. Well, I think you could see how dirty it was. I didn't specifically focus on it, but this is how clean I got it. And, you know, you could keep going and going and going. The tool that I found best to use for this is, I call this a box cutter, because it's got a nice point to get under those hairs that are wrapped around there. And it's like a razor. Yeah, just not quite a razor, but it's close to a razor. It's better than scissors. I tried scissors and not so good. So now let's get to cleaning the covers over the sensors. Let's put this back in first. There's a little triangle there and a little triangle there. So it goes in one way, not two ways. Whoops. How does that go in? Let Froggy look at this. Okay, so this is the drive end. So it's got a square connection. So put that in first, and then this end just drops down. Okay, like that. Cover goes back on. Oh, why are we having trouble today? Maybe I've got it backwards. Let's try it that way. Yep. Okay. So the tabs go towards, not towards the middle, towards the outside. The wheels, I might clean that up a little bit. I'll just cut the hairs around the edge, and I'll take a vacuum and suck out this dust here. What I used was a pair of channel locks to grab the swivel wheel and just pull straight up. Make sure you press it back in and you'll hear a little snap. And maybe you can see the clearance right there. If it's sitting up too high, you didn't press it in enough. So there are 3 drop sensors. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, sorry, 3. And I wasn't having any problem with them, but I cleaned them anyway. Push the wheels down and clean the dirt and dust and hair that might be in there and there. The charging sensors seem pretty clean. The wheel on the back, turning okay. Open this up on the dust collector. I'm going to use a vacuum to knock the dust out, and then I'm going to use a vacuum to clean it a little bit more. I guess that's kind of funny, isn't it, to use a vacuum to clean a vacuum? Anyway, that's the air filter. So I was careful because this seems very delicate to me. I don't be too rough on it. I left a little bit around the edges, but that's okay because I didn't want to put a hole in it. That. This probably opens up with some of the big dirt area. There's the big dirt area, and somebody had already emptied it. I'm just going to use a vacuum to clean a little bit more. And that's about as good as I can get that. You can see there's some scuff marks on it. Hopefully what I've cleaned off is enough to make it work again. To me, I think you're looking at a replacement part there eventually, because that, no matter how good the sensors are working, it ends up banging up against stuff and getting little scuff marks on it. So let's bring it back up to where it charges and turn it on and see what happens. Okay, it's running like a champ again. So if you have those symptoms and need a little help, Froggy's there for you. If this helps you out, give me a thumbs up or a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun, clean living. Froggy out. Bye-bye.